Okay guys, so we've got the unit on, pump's plugged in, everything's off at the moment, so that's your off signal. So you've got auto, on and off. We're going to be in pool mode. There is a spa mode, which we're not going to cover in this video, so pool mode. Just the layout of the label here, you've got your output. So this is going to increase or decrease your chlorine output. We always tend to have it towards the end, the high output of the scale, because you know chlorine produced by saltwater chlorinator is far better than adding chlorine. You've got your day, your hour and your minute to set your clock. You've got your clock operation and you've got your timer operation. And then here is just an up and down for your settings in your clock. So let's set the time first. So we want to go hour. So today is 12 o'clock. 12 and set the minutes nearly exactly. The day at the moment is Wednesday. Wednesday, 12 o'clock, done. That's your clock set, so it's as simple as that. For your timer, so you've got Monday to Friday, so period for Monday to Friday is 4 hours, and then you can come on again, timer 2 for Monday to Friday, turns back on at 4, and it'll run for another 4 hours. And you've got timer 3 and timer 4, which, so for the moment, I haven't checked with the owners what they want to run their timer on. I'll put in our best practice, which is just your standard 8 hours a day, that's no dramas. So the way it's set at the moment to come on at 8, run for 4, and then on at 4, run for another 4 is fine, just straight off the factory settings, that's no problem, that's the 8 hours a day. And then once you're done with your timer, you're back to your home screen here. We'll turn it on. So I'll put it manually on for the moment. System's fired up. Because we haven't set our chlorine output yet, this will come up saying, no, cell power is 0, which is fine. So now as I increase it down the bottom here, you can see those lights light up. And depending on the salt level of the pool, which we'll come back to in another video, it will start producing its own chlorine here in the cell. So that's how you set and turn on and operate a VX chlorinator for the first time. Let's say that you now want to convert that over to its timer that you've built in, turn it off, and then onto auto. So it's going to stay off now until 4 o'clock this afternoon, and it will kick back on and run as per your settings.